making a bootable USB is a fairly useful skill to have. And thankfully, this is something that is relatively easy. So I'm going to look up Rufus, which is the program that we will be using. So Rufus, create a bootable USB. The easy way. Exactly what we want, the easy way. And then we just need to go down here to downloads. We're going to take the standard version, 3.4, and I'm going to go ahead and download that. Okay. And if I click on this, it's going to already be executable, right? It's already a program that we can run and use. So now we would need a file or a program to put on this bootable USB. So what I'm going to do, or to put on a USB, I'm going to go ahead and minimize that. And I am going to look for Ubuntu server. Here we are. And let's go ahead and download server. Okay, and so we're going to go ahead and go with the LTS version, the long-term server version. So I'm going to go ahead and click download. This is a larger file, so it will take a bit of time. And now it has completed downloading. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to go back to Rufus. Okay. And it downloaded as an ISO file. It's also going to be located in our download folder right here. Okay. There we are, live server, great. So what I'm going to do then is go back to Rufus. I already have my USB plugged in, at least I hope I do. Yes. Yes, and it is USB 4. So there my drive is. I am going to use an ISO image. Select, because again, this downloaded, and you can even see it way down here, ISO. Click, open. That looks great. Volume label, I'm just gonna, Ubuntu server is what I'm gonna name my USB. That all looks good, that looks good, and I think ready to rock. I'm gonna hit start. So this is letting us know that there are 2 new initial files that need to be downloaded. Thankfully, Rufus is ready to rock with us. Select yes to connect to the internet and download these, yes. Written, the image you have selected, this means it can be written either in ISO, file copy mode, or DD, disk image mode. I'm going to use the recommended setting here, ISO. Warning, all data on device USB 4, and I've already erased my USB 4, so that is not of a concern. Created a master boot record and partitions, and it's getting to work copying our files. This will take a moment. And our device is ready to be used as a bootable USB.